Today we will build a classic snake game using an Arduino UNO, a 2-axis joystick and a MAX72 8x8 dot matrix display to show the game. Follow along as we walk through the hardware setup, code and gameplay. Let's start by setting up the connections. First of all, connect the 2-axis joystick to the Arduino. Connect the VCC of the joystick to the 5V of the Arduino. GND of the joystick to the GND of Arduino. VRX of joysticks to the A3 of Arduino. VRY of joystick to the A4 of the Arduino. Now connect the dot matrix display to the Arduino. Connect the VCC of the display to the 5V of the Arduino. GND of display to the GND of Arduino. DIN of the display to the pin 12 of the Arduino. CS of display to pin 11 of Arduino. CLK of display to the pin 10 of Arduino. Make sure to double check your connection with the circuit diagram. Now download the code and library files given in the description below. Open the code file in the Arduino IDE. First we need to include the LED control library. We define two structures here, one for snake and the other for apple. The snake's head and body are stored as coordinates and the apple has its own random position on the display. We create an instance of the LED control class to control the LED matrix. We also set the matrix to wake up and initialize its brightness level. The joystick's X and Y axis values will be read from analog pins A3 and A4 on the Arduino. These values will help us control the snake's movement. We initialize the snake's starting position and body length along with the apple's random position. In the setup function, we initialize the LED matrix, set its brightness and clear the display. We also set the joystick pins as inputs. In the loop function, we read the joystick values for the X and Y axes. Based on the joystick position, we change the snake's direction. Next, we handle the snake's movement and check if it has eaten an apple. If the snake hits the border or itself, the game resets. If the snake eats an apple, it grows longer. The render function is where we display the snake and the apple on the LED matrix, and that's it. Now connect the Arduino UNO to your computer using the USB cable for uploading the code. Select port and board in the same menu and select Arduino UNO. And now click the upload button. Now power the Arduino and let's see the game in action. Use the joystick to navigate the snake, eat apples to grow and avoid colliding with snake's own body. The faster you play, the more challenges it gets. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching our tutorial.